Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I'm having another crazy hair day today. If you guys have seen my other videos, probably any of them, my hair is often a hot mess and that's just kind of the day it is today. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a fall haul / my fall favorite. This is going to include clothing, items, books, candles, everything like that. So without further ado, let's jump into this cozy fall favorites haul for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start first with TJ Maxx because I got a couple of things from there. The first thing being this ridiculously cute mug with a picture of a Frenchie on it wearing like a Dracula cape. Are you kidding me? I think this is so cute. I do not like warm or hot drinks, so I just put some candy in it and I have it on my desk. Vani enjoys the candy as well as I, so I think it is still very beneficial. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, and at the bottom of it, it says Count Dogula on it. That's so cute. I really love this. I think it is so adorable, and this was only $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Again, I just think it is super obnoxiously cute. I love this so much. The next thing that I got at TJ Maxx is this little snow globe. I just shook it. I don't know why I did that because you guys can't even see what's in it now. But it is this, oh my gosh, I don't know how to, it is this little snow globe here. There we go. Maybe that'll work. With a white and a black dog in it, which are the exact colors of my dogs, my mom's house, who I don't get to see as much anymore. So I really like the idea of having them on my desk at all times. I think they're super cute. And it has a little... Okay, so that's probably gonna keep going for a second, I'm sorry. So I got that at TJ Maxx as well, and I think it is super, super cute. It makes a great little addition to my desk, which I really, really enjoy. The next two things that I got at TJ Maxx are candles. I really like getting my candles at TJ Maxx because they're always really cheap and they have really good brands. This one is, oh my god, I almost just hit myself in the face. This one is an Opal House candle in the scent Heritage Pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I've already lit it a lot because I like to light this when I'm like reading or working at my desk. It smells so good. This one is a scented soy candle, and this one was $14.99, so a little bit more expensive, but I think that's the Opal House price. I think this one was like $7.99. I also got this one at TJ Maxx, and it is a Yankee candle, and this one retails at $20 and TJ Maxx was selling it for $12. So this one is the pumpkin and clove scent. Again, I've already been burning it for a hot minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm also that person, I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I like buying fall scented candles and having them all year round and making my house smell like fall 24/7. It's a problem. Avani's had to adjust to it. I seriously do this all the time. The next two things I'm going to be showing you guys are some decorations. The first one I got at Target. It's a little bit dusty. It is just a super cute little holder. I have like a watch, my phone chargers, box in it, things like that. And it is just in the shape of a bat, which I just think is so precious and cute. I got this at Target for $3 in a little dollar section right in the front when you first walk in. I just think it is absolutely adorable, and it's really good if you want to put jewelry in it, a candle in it, literally like whatever you want. It is just, it's so cute. I think it's so cute for fall. I really like it. The next thing I actually got at Disney when I went with my family, and it is this little Mickey Mouse pumpkin candle holder. I just think it is so pure and cute. It has a little opening in the back where you can put your candle, and it says Happy Halloween on it. Also, the little top of it opens up, so if you wanted to like have the candle, have the light showing through, you could. I just honestly find this so adorable. I haven't actually put a candle in it yet because I still need to get a tea light candle, but I just think that this is so adorable, and this is $19.99. I believe you might be able to get it like downtown Disney as well, but I was staying at a Disney resort with my family a month or so ago, and they had this in the shop as their little prequel to fall, and I just got it because I think it is so cute. I'm not like a huge over fanatic of Disney per se, but I did love this and I thought it was super cute and very happy. Brings me a lot of joy every time I look at it, so I really like this one as well. One of my next fall favorites is hanging up on the wall, and I'm not going to take it down because I will probably mess it up, and it is just this little sign that I got from Target in the dollar section as well. I believe this one was $3, and it just says Happy Fall on it, and it has all these super cute pumpkins on it. It is just adorable. It has like a little wood outline, and I really, really enjoy that. The next couple of things I'm going going to be showing you guys are some accessories. Okay, so here's the thing. It doesn't ever get cold in Florida really, so whenever it gets below like 70 degrees, I start to wear things that are meant for the winter. And one of my favorite things are these little head wraps. They just go on your head like this. I'm not gonna put on right now because my hair is a mess, but I might insert a picture of me with this on. I think they are so cute. This one's very, very fuzzy and really, really thick. I think I got this at, I got this one at Target, and it was probably like $7 or something like that. But this purple color, I'm just obsessed with. I also have one that's super similar, also from Target, and it's just like a braided black one. I wear this one all the time in the fall season. I think it is just such a cute little compliment to your fall outfit. Another thing I've been obsessing with are scarves like this one. So I actually got these scarves for a video that I have never posted, I don't even think I've edited that one. And so I got all of these scarves to do like a little neck scarf moment, and I just thought it was so cute when I did it for my video, and then I never posted the video, or I don't even know what I did with that footage. And I just think this is such a look. I also really have been enjoying them, wearing them on my head as well. I just think they are so cute. It became one of my fall favorites for sure. The next little favorite I have is this black hat that I got from Target. I've never actually worn this hat, and I got this, I want to say almost a year ago when I first started making YouTube videos again, and I've never really worn it, but now that the fall season is coming, I think it is absolutely adorable, and I'm really excited to wear this with like a really cute dress and some boots and just scream fall, because I'm really excited that fall's here. The next couple of things I'm going to be showing you guys, I don't know if they're considered fall favorites, but they are some things that I have been loving, and it is the season of fall, so for me they are fall favorites, and I want to talk about them, so it's fine. So the first thing is this beautiful calendar that I got at Books A Million. I'm considering this a fall favorite because it is a 2020 calendar. I like Disney, but I'm not as into it as my family is, so I'll probably be gifting this to one of my family members maybe for Christmas. It has Beauty and the Beast on the front, and then you open it up and it has a cute little pocket, but all of the pages have a different work of art on them from something different. So like that's Dumbo. I don't know if my audio is probably even working because this is covering my mouth. Hello. Little Mermaid, Cinderella, things like that. And the art is just, seriously you guys, so beautiful. I actually thought about keeping it for myself because I do need a calendar, but I just know that there is a family member of mine, probably multiple, who would just much more enjoy this calendar than me because it's so beautiful. And again, this was at Books A Million, and I got it for $15, which is actually a really good price, I think, for a calendar with this much detail on it. So I really, really liked this one a lot as a gift for someone coming up for the fall or the winter season. Again, the next couple things I'm going to be showing you guys are not necessarily fall related, but I've been enjoying them during the month of October and November most likely, and they are just a couple of books. So the first one is The Day of Piglet, which I've explained in a couple of my other videos. I'll link those down below as well, which is all about Taoism explained through Pooh book characters, which I'm obsessed with this. I feel like I'm learning a lot from this book. Another thing I've been really into lately is healing and really connecting to the earth and my chakras and everything like that, and being super mindful. So I got this book called Earth Magic, and it is all about ancient shamanic wisdom and healing, and I have been really into this book. I've just been reading it a little bit each day, and it's just really interesting. Again, if you're not into stuff like that, I get it, but this is a very good spiritual book, so I'm interested in this one. Another book I've been really into lately is called The Gifts Beneath Your Anxiety. If you have anxiety, or if you feel that you are an empath, this is such a good book. So every time I've gone to a psychic reading or anything with a medium or a psychic, they immediately always identify me as an empath, which I've always pretty much known. I've always been able to connect very much to people's emotions and things like that. This book has a whole new take on it, and it's not really targeted towards empath or empathic people, but it's really good for that, and it's all about how your anxiety is basically your superpower. So if you are struggling with anxiety and feeling like it might be a really bad thing, this book is really, really great, and I really recommend checking this out. Also, I'm super sorry because my tripod broke a little bit and it's crooked, so I feel like I should be talking like this, that way my photos are straight. Everything is actually perfectly straight. It's my tripod that's crooked. I'm buying a new one, but you know how things go. The next couple things I'm going to be showing you guys are some clothing items, which I'm very excited about. So the first clothing item that I've been obsessing with is this fake Gucci GG belt, which is actually just 2 circles that I got from Shein for like $2. I am obsessed with this belt. It is really, really good quality for how inexpensive this was. I really, really like it. I've been obsessing with pairing that on my waist with a couple of beautiful dresses. I'm just gonna show you guys 2. So this is the first one. It is just black and gold. It has a little V cut. I mean, it's not the best material in the whole world, but it's super lightweight. So for me, if you live in Florida, it's phenomenal because you don't want anything that's too thick and hot. Again, I got this one from Shein, so I love that. A next dress I got from Target, and I have never been a fan of really big, pretty much just flowy dresses because I feel like with the way my body shape is, I end up just looking frumpy and not flattering to my figure at all. I just had a gut feeling, and I'm trusting my gut lately, you guys. I'm listening to my intuition. I'm going with it. And it was just this gorgeous, long, flowy maxi dress with all these beautiful flowers on them. And then since I got the fake Gucci belt, I did not have it with me, but I picked up a little small waist belt to try this on with, and I fell in love. It was such a gorgeous look. This is not a new hack. I'm not the first person ever saying this. I'm probably like the 9,000th person ever saying this. But if you are a curvier girl and you really like the idea of like a long, flowy, beautiful dress, but you feel like it gives you no figure, a tiny little belt around the waist literally changed my life, and I've been obsessing with dresses ever since then. So the next couple of fall favorites that I'm going to be showing you guys are edible treats and goodies. So my first fall favorite that I've been obsessing with are these dark chocolate caramel sea salt bites from Aldi's. Guys, they are so good. This last batch I bought is a little bit more toffee-y than I typically prefer, but they're still really, really good, and you can get them at Aldi's for super, super cheap, and that is another reason why I love them. They are so yummy. Another thing I've really been into are these date and coconut rolls. I originally found them at Earth Fare for like $7, and I was obsessed with them because their only ingredients were dates and coconut. And then I went to Publix and they had the exact same thing for like $3, so I bought them and I love them. I eat them all the time. They're really good sweet snack to have with some coffee, which brings us into my next fall favorite, which is this pumpkin spice cold brew, like already pre-made drink. So I've actually been living my last 4 years of life being told that I was allergic to coffee and dairy. But I've been doing some tests, and I'm pretty sure I'm only allergic to dairy and not coffee, because whenever I'm drinking coffee with dairy-free creamer, I'm not having as bad as a reaction. It still makes me regular like a very healthy way, in a very normal way, so I'm like not mad about it. I've been drinking a little bit of this coffee every morning, and I feel like it's really been getting me ready to start the day, and I just love it. It's so good. And my last fall favorite food item for you guys, everyone knows what these are, and they're the best things in the whole world, so I don't even know why I'm talking about them. Well, probably because they're the best things in the whole world. They are going to be the Halloween themed sugar cookies. Now listen, I never buy sugar cookies because I know that I will eat all of the cookie dough in one sitting. I'm a cookie dough fan. If you guys are fans out there who like the cookie dough more than the cookies, leave it in the comments down below, because same sis, same. But Avani loves cookies and bought 4 boxes of them. And so I'm eating a lot more cookies than I would typically be eating, but I also love her and adore her, so like it's fine. I'm not that mad about it. That is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall haul / fall favorites of mine. If you guys would like more fall themed videos, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it's super easy, and it helps me out so much, and I would really appreciate if you guys did that. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I am just now getting my video schedule on the go, and I'm just trying to figure it out. But I post videos all about spiritual healing, how to heal your body with your mind, law of attraction, manifestation, as well as clothing hauls and try-on hauls and a little bit of fashion, and then some vlogs and some random fun things. So there's a lot going on this page. Go ahead and subscribe. We have a great time here. And as always, remember to keep your vibes way high, and I will see you guys for my next video. Bye.